you tired of feeling stuck in a creative rut? Do you struggle with self-doubt and fear holding back your artistic vision? This video is for you as we explore a collection of powerful positive affirmations designed to unlock your creative potential and help you embrace your unique talents. Hi, I'm Donna, and today we're diving into something that can truly change how you approach your art, your ideas, and your confidence: creative self-belief. I've personally experienced moments where doubt crept in, when I questioned whether what I created was good enough or worth sharing, but learning to speak truth over myself and believe in my creative calling changed everything. Positive affirmations help me silence that inner critic and rediscover joy in creating. And today, I want to share that same encouragement with you. Creativity starts in the mind. Often, it's not a lack of skill or talent that stops us. It's our own self-talk. Thoughts like, "I'll never be as good as them. I'm not talented enough. What if people don't like it?" These thoughts don't just slow us down, they keep us stuck. But there's a way to break that cycle. By intentionally choosing positive self-talk, you can replace doubt with belief. Affirmations are like training your brain to support you rather than sabotage you. And when you use them consistently, they begin to rewrite those old patterns, helping you push past fear, self-criticism, and creative blocks. Let's take a moment now for a guided affirmation practice. Find a quiet space, breathe deeply, close your eyes if you'd like, and as we speak these affirmations, repeat them with confidence and heart. Pause between each line for reflection and repetition.
I am a creative being, born to express beauty and truth.
I am a creative being, born to express beauty and truth.
My ideas matter, and my voice deserves to be heard.
My ideas matter, and my voice deserves to be heard.
I trust my unique vision and allow it to flow freely.
I trust my unique vision and allow it to flow freely.
Each day, I grow in confidence and creative strength.
Each day, I grow in confidence and creative strength.
I release fear and welcome inspiration.
I release fear and welcome inspiration.
Mistakes are part of my growth. They do not define me.
Mistakes are part of my growth. They do not define me.
I create without comparison, knowing I am enough.
I create without comparison, knowing I am enough.
My imagination is a gift, and I use it boldly.
My imagination is a gift, and I use it boldly.
I am inspired, I am capable, I am creative.
I am inspired. I am capable. I am creative. Visualize yourself creating freely, joyfully, and without judgment. Let that image stay with you as you move forward. Affirmations aren't just for moments like this, they can become a part of your daily life. Start an affirmation journal. Write 3 affirmations each morning that speak to where you are and where you want to grow. Use affirmation cards or sticky notes in your creative space. Visual reminders can be powerful when your mind starts to doubt. Set an affirmation alarm. Let your phone remind you with a positive message midday. It can be the boost you need to keep creating. The more you practice, the more naturally these affirmations will shape your thoughts, and your creativity. And I'd love to hear from you. Which affirmation resonated with you the most today? How are you planning to keep your creative fire lit? Drop a comment and let's support one another. Let's remember, this journey is ongoing. Creative confidence doesn't happen overnight, but it grows with every word of kindness you speak over yourself and every step you take toward your passion. Your voice, your art, your presence, they matter. So keep going, keep creating, and most importantly, believe in the beauty you bring to this world. If this video encouraged you, please like, subscribe, and share it with another creative soul who could use a little spark today. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating from the heart.